Are you tired of selling stuff online only to earn once, if at all? Let me show you something smarter. I'm Lynette, and I use a proven system that's been working for 9 years. No stock, no sales, no chasing people. For just 299 Rand per month, I started building a recurring income paid to me every month for every product paid in my channel. This system is partnered with big names like Santam, Old Mutual. All I do is share the information. No selling, no convincing. Want to know how I get paid even when I'm offline? Comment info or DM me and I'll send you the details. It's real, it's simple, and I'll show you how.